In this video, I will show you how to add a variable product in WooCommerce. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and open Products, then click Add New and add your product title and description. Scroll down to Product Data and select Variable Product instead of Simple Product. Now open the Attributes tab, click Add, and create your options like size or color. Add values like small, medium, large. Tick Used for Variations and save it. Next, go to Variations and click Generate Variations. Open each variation, set the price, stock, and image if needed. Then click Publish. That's it. Your variable product is ready with multiple options. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.